Good morning, guys! It is 5:35 a.m. And we're getting ready for the rafting because they're gonna fetch us at 7 a.m. So we have to get ready already. Donna's still sleeping and Ron's awake. I'm just fixing my stuff. And we'll see you later! Bye! OMG, my outfit for today is so pink! Everything's so pink! I love pink! Hey guys, it's 6:31. Yeah, I told you. And we are on our way, Ron and I. We're on our way to yung kinainan namin last night because
Dude, hindi mataas dito eh. So ito tayo tumada.
I know! Yesterday, sinabi ko na yun eh. Look. Kasi you have a choice to go there. Mas mataas. Yun. It's again 6:31, so we are going to grab breakfast. And then grab taxi. Whatever. Tapos we're gonna wait for the fetcher to go rafting. Yun. Mukha kaming eng-eng. Actually ako, mas mukhang tanga. Kasi nandito ako, tapos nakaganito na ako. Pero ganda ng weather dito. Parang ka talaga nasa Baguio. Look, we have pine trees. Love it! We're here at Base Camp office! Yeah! Good morning po. We're gonna have briefing. We'll see you again later.
Ang plan for the trip for the day is we will be traveling 1 hour going to the starting area. Then pagdating sa starting area, you will have another set of briefing which will be all about how to put on your gears. Tsaka ano yung mga commands ng guide in paddling, ano yung dapat gawin in kaso mahulog kayo, ano yung paano mag-rescue ng kasama pabalik sa raft. Ayan, so may mga part na ganyan nga, pwede kayong mahulog, pwede tayo
Yes, we're on our way to the rafting area. It's gonna take us 1 hour. Diba? There's the entire group. Say hi, guys. Hi, guys. Guys, we're here. Oh, yo. Guys, we're already here. Say hi, Ron. Let's do a 360. 1, 2, 3. Whee! There's Pao and Donna.
The strap and our tigre. Proper hand position ng tigre natin.
Here's your raft.
Place your thumb here and give it your for free things.
We'll see you. Stop, 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 stop! Hey guys, we're on our way to First Rapid. Woohoo! Let's party! Para, 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 para. Hi guys.
Forward.
Paddle forward, Ron. Paddle forward. Hi! So Ron fell the first rapid. Bye-bye! Pakabait ka! Sulit ka ha! Video yan? Guys! Ron, anong feeling na mahulog?
Masaya. Para sulit yung
Tapos hindi ko siya ma-save, guys. Hindi ko siya ma-save. Kasi nasa-stress ako. Stop, guys! Stop! Ayun na! Oh my gosh! There's another one! I'm so scared!
Naka-video ka.
Oh, alam ko naman.
Pero kanina hindi ko na video.
Uy, pwede ba? Siya una ulit?
Oo. Wait ha. Nagpalaglag kayo ulit ako.
Ron!
Stop, stop. Baba! Stop, stop.
Naka-video yun?
Oo.
Buti lang ito, nakuha mo yun. Nahulog ba to? Yung paddle?
Oo. Paddle mo ba o niya?
Paddle ko yata.
Paddle niya pa yun.
Okay. Oo, kasi nakita ko sumigaw ka, paddle ka. Uy, sinave ko yung paddle niya. I was helpful, ikaw na contribution. Yes! Paddle forward!
Okay ka na.
Ano ko?
Nakaluyo na kayo.
So much fun, di ba? No?
Okay.
Ayoko rin!
Oh, baba ka na!
Ayoko. Ayoko din.
Tapos na.
Woo! Success!
Tara.
Baka may bato.
Wala na yan.
Wala, lalim na.
Ano na ito?
Lakay na tayo. Bahala kayo dyan. Okay, paddle forward.
Paddle forward din.
This is our end point, guys.
Oh.
Fun.
Yes!
Grabe. Ang yabang na ako kasi tapos na.
Yeah! Hello! These were the videos filmed by Base Camp. Base Camp was the company we hired to take us rafting. They were really accommodating, professional, and fun. We had to pay 1,500 pesos each, and the entire rafting experience, which took place at the Davao River, took around 2 to 3 hours. It was such a fun experience. We capsized once, but my other groupmates fell once or twice on their own because, I don't know, it was it's like when the raft turns at a certain angle, there is a possibility that someone would fall. So whitewater rafting for me in the Davao River is definitely one of the must-do activities in Davao City. Hey guys, good afternoon. It's 5:38 p.m. and we just got out of the condo lang because we slept and rested for a few hours. We're on our way to the church, Redemptorist Church. We're going to hear Mass at 6 p.m. and then eat dinner later at Jack's Ridge. So we'll see you again later. There they are.
The Lord be with you.
And with your spirit.
A reading from the
Guys, dito na kami sa kakainan namin kasi gusto ata ito ng madaming tao. It's popular in Davao. So we're here.
itsura ko.
Say hi, Donna.
Hi, Donna.
Say hi, Ron.
Hi, Ron.
Say hi, Pao. Me. Loving your water, Donna?
Loving your water?
Loving your water?
Weird naman nun.
Eh, kasi mali ko ba dehydrated ka? Yun na yung official theme song of the Davao. Ano yung title no? Para, 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 para. Here's our first
Well-deserved
meal.
extra rice.
First food? Ano ba? Ang tawag ka ba?
Bayan.
And here's our first bayan. This is called
Sinigang, that's tuna belly sinigang. 450, ay? 450 grams of grilled, sinigang tuna belly.
how much?
It's 290 something.
Yay! Here's our next one.
Oh gosh.
Ribs.
Oh gosh. You did kaya.
How much is this one?
This is for 200 pesos. Only, it comes with a side dish and
Rice.
1 cup of rice.
Bon appetit! Guys, let's try the sinigang. I smell it. Let's try the soup. Hindi masyado maasim, no? Yummy! Guys, if you will visit Davao, visit Lyndon's World's Worst Ribs and Offal Chicken. It's the best. Hindi nakasulat. Ano masasabi mo?
The worst.
Kabaliktaran niya na, it's the opposite. You love it?
Yes. Super yummy.
Is it better than Rox?
Oo,
Talaga?
cheaper.
Yeah, sobrang cheap. Did you like it? Ilang thumbs up? One lang? Socks! 2 thumbs up! Bye! It's for the adventurous foodies out there. There's Ron! Ay, ito si Pao pala. Madami sila dito, they have a lot of street food, like different kinds. You wanna check it out? Let's check it out. They have barbecue, drinks, more barbecue, more barbecue, more drinks, more barbecue. Hey guys, so we're back in the condo and People are just chilling. And, yeah. We bought some stuff for Samal tomorrow. And, kapag pupunta nga pala kayo, if you're going to go to Davao, it's best to go here in August because all of the fruits are in season and it's the best time to go rafting. Kasi maulan during that time. So, yan, a quick FYI. And we just imported some of our videos and sobrang funny to watch them. So, yeah. We'll just chill and I guess I'll end the vlog here. We'll see you again tomorrow in Samal Island. Bye! Hey guys, thank you for watching today's video. I'm sorry if it was a bit late. I just started with my internship, so yun, I'm really busy every single day. So this is the only time I got a chance to edit the video because it is Pasig Day, Pasig City Day. So I'll see you again next week. Only here on my channel. Bye!